Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will understand what will happen in case your account reaches the maximum limits that you have got on your current plan. So let's get started. Simply log in on your BotPenguin account and please go to subscription panel and go to current plan. So if you go to the current plan, you will see all the limits that you have got for this particular plan. Like I am on a baby plan right now. So I have got 1000 normal messages and 100 WhatsApp messages. Similarly, I have got 1000 AI messages as per my current plan limits. So what will happen if this limit get exhausted or this limit get passed? So in that case, you will see a banner over here that you have reached the maximum account limit, which will help you understand like which messages are increased and what you need to do. So in order to proceed further, like your chatbot will stop responding. The only option left you have, you need to purchase an add-on, a dedicated add-on for dedicated thing. For example, if the messages are finished, you need to purchase an add-on for the messages. And if the WhatsApp messages are finished, you need to purchase an add-on for the WhatsApp messages to start your operations again. So how to purchase an add-on? We do have a dedicated video for that, so you can see that. And in the add-on sections, you will be able to see all the add-ons, and from here you can purchase it. Right. That's all about this video. In case if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.